can start the lesson.
What is it?
How Mister do that?
And you have to answer it.
I already answered it. It's my own voice. Oh, you want to try again? You want to know again?
This you
I
have
mean, this
to-
is my voice. You can check in the recording later.
Voice. What
I
application?
see Mister like
Yes,
like
what
What application?
This is my voice. This is my voice. You can check in you can check in the recording later.
Mister, can I explain in bahasa Indonesia?
No,
How? How?
that was my voice. That was my voice. So
Mister,
please, can we just start with our lesson today? Okay?
Why Mister
why you
is
censor it?
phonetic, Mister?
Okay, that one I just said that. Can we just start the lesson right now? Okay, you can check in the recording. You could check in the recording if you want.
That. It's just that. I don't want anything.
Okay. Okay, let's start with our lesson.
No. Oh.
Okay, we want to review. We want to review. Oh no, it's kind of lagging. It's kind of lagging. Okay, we want to review with what we already had from the every lesson.
No.
So we want to review it. So you can take your book. Okay, you could take your book.
Sampai. Sampai bertanya.
And now,
Why Mister making soundproof phonetics like that?
no, it's not. If you look in the recording, there will be none of it. I'm not saying swear words. Okay, I'm just talking that we have to start our lesson right now.
Okay, it's like profanity word.
No, it's not. It's not. You could see in the recording later. Don't worry. Okay.
La 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 la.
Okay. Now
Okay.
this one is on page 12. We already do with the interrupted past, right? So,
Can Mister
what is it?
can I explain in bahasa Indonesia or
No,
no?
no, 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 no.
Okay, I use Google Translate.
It's up to you. Try. Okay. Now about our interrupted past. This is a past tense when something also other things also happened on that time. Okay. We could use while. We could use when. Although in the
Mister,
book, it's already only while. Okay. In the book, it's only while. But I also told you about when. Okay. Is anyone still confused with this one about interrupted past?
no, Mister. I want to ask something.
What do you want to ask?
Can Mister repeat past continuous tense? My English book, like my not English book, is forgot in Tulungagung.
I will not because it won't be in the daily test or even in the worksheet, right? About past continuous tense. Maybe next time, maybe in this book we will study about that. We'll see. We'll see about it. Okay. Although this one actually, this one we have a little bit of past continuous tense. Okay. So in the interrupted past, when we say it with while, okay, if it's while,
How?
that means we can use like this. For example, okay, I will give an example. Winston made a strawberry jam. What is it, Felice? I cannot hear you. Where is your voice?
Mister, do I have to write that down, Mister?
No, you don't have to write that down.
I'm forgot, but it's different. Well, and when is
That's why I'm going to explain it. Okay? While.
Mister,
Yes, who's asking? Tisha?
yes.
What is it?
Can I write it?
If you want to write it down, go ahead. You don't have to write
Okay.
it down. Felice? There is no sound. Can you change the mic? Look into the mic setting and then you change it with your. No, there is still no sound. There's still no sound at all.
can change into microphone array
Okay.
or stereo.
Try it again. It's still muted. Okay, I will go on for this. Okay, I will go it for this one. So Winston made a
Mister,
story.
what page?
12.
Mr. Danny.
Wow.
How Mr. Danny sound can be like that? I always like
We're not
that.
doing that yet. Okay, Felice, your sound still. I still cannot hear your sound.
Mister,
Can
Maybe
Mr.
you
explain
need to
after
restart the Zoom.
the English class done?
Page 12. Okay, Freya, what is it?
Jam is a lie.
Yep. Okay, go ahead, Felice. Felice will be restarting her Zoom. Okay, Winston made a story jam, comma. I'm going to use while. Wait a minute. While Mr. Danny was swimming in the pool. If we use while, the thing is, if we use while, that means we have to use the past continuous tense because while. I will explain the past tense and then the past continuous tense a little bit at the right side. So if it's past continuous tense, the formula will be subject plus was or were plus verb ing and then the object. That is what we have for now. Because in the interrupted past, because this is past continuous tense, yes, this is past continuous tense. I'm sorry. Okay, we're using this subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. But we can also
Why
change
like
the why. What, Simon?
um why like um, can I explain in Indonesia?
Okay, go ahead.
Kenapa itu kok formulanya nggak panjang, Mister? Kan dulu kan panjang formulanya.
Yes. So back then, it's the combination between past continuous tense and past tense, right? Because when we use while or when, that is for explaining things. So if we just add, maybe in here, while or when, okay? If we're using while or when, okay? Maybe I will use the while first, okay? Or
Did
while
we
or
write
when.
this?
Okay, we add another subject, so that means
Did
we
we
add
write this?
another subject, and then
Hear my voice now.
yes, I can hear you, Phyllis. Winston, it's up to you if you want to write it or not. And then verb to, and then object.
Mister, do I have to write the past continuous tense as plus was plus were plus being?
It's up to you if you want to write it down.
Screenshot, Mister.
Yes, go ahead. At least you understand. I want you to understand. I want you to understand. Okay? I want you to understand. So, when we use while, we use like this. It's the same with when. For now, it's the same with when. Okay? But I did say last time, I did say back then, if we use while, that means this is past continuous tense with past continuous tense. For example, okay, for example, Alexis was jumping into the pool, comma, while Simon was, let's say Simon was sliding on the slide.
Mister, I think you might be wrong, Mister.
I might be wrong with what, Alexis?
I have jumped once from the slide to the swimming pool.
From the slide to the swimming pool. Okay. Well, let's just say that you jump into the pool, then just jump. Okay. I did say also back then, if we use when, that means we use past continuous tense plus past tense. For example, okay, Freya was spinning around her chair when Winston. No, don't use Winston. I will not use Winston anymore. Okay, let's say when Maylin made a TikTok. Okay? Do you understand until here about past continuous tense, about interrupted past?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I make a word, Mister? Can I make a sentence?
Okay, go ahead. What do you want? Let me use the purple, pink. What do you want, Simon?
Simon
Mm-hmm.
was
Mm-hmm.
eat, um, eat, eat,
Eating.
eating, eating, eating pizza
Eat, eating pizza. Okay.
while
While
Louis
Louis. Because you were using while, that means it's in the past continuous tense with the verb ing again. So that means while Louis
was drunk
drinking
milkshake.
milkshake. Okay, Simon was eating pizza while Louis was drinking milkshake.
Mister, can
Yes, Joanna, what is it?
make some sentence?
One more time, okay? The last one. Go ahead.
Rufus was making a toothpaste when
Rufus
Kate
was making
a toothpaste
a toothpaste
when Kate and
when
Clem
when Kate and Clam.
was washing all the jars.
Okay, was washing all the jars. Okay, if we use when, we could just use not washing when Kate and Clam washed all the jars in the past tense.
Oh.
Okay, that's fine.
Mister,
Yeah, Simon.
can Mister make the formula my sentence because my sentence
The formula for your sentence.
is the is different than the past continuous pen in above my sentence.
I'm having a trouble by understanding what you mean. You mean I'm making the formula for you for this one?
Yes.
So that means Simon is subject, and then was eating, that means was, and then verb ing. You mean like this?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. And then the object is pizza, then comma. Remember about the comma, okay? Always remember about the comma.
Okay, Mister.
And then we use while, and then with another subject, which is Louis, and then with was, with another verb ing, and then the object. Is that okay?
Okay, Mister. I will make the
Okay.
document
Okay.
this formula.
Mister,
Yes, Tisha.
when in in bahasa is what?
When in bahasa, okay, I will explain in bahasa, okay? When in bahasa is sewaktu. In this sentence, okay? Sewaktu. When and while is sewaktu. Although if you ask a question with when, that means kapan. Okay. Okay. Do you guys understand with this one? Everyone understand with the interrupted past?
Yes, I
Okay.
understand.
Even though you are using like in the book, if in the book it's the formula is kind of different, right? In the book, although it's using while, it is using past tense. That's fine. Okay, that is fine. No, Julian, I'm already talked that you're allowed. If you're allowed to speak in Bahasa, I will not remove you. Okay, so in the book, it's already in past tense, not in past continuous tense, but it's using while. So it's okay. It is fine. Okay? You don't have to stick with everything that is in here, but at least you understand that interrupted past, you use while or when. But if it's while, that means you need to use either the verb ing or the past tense is verb to. But when, if it's when, you need to use the past tense. Okay, Melian, go ahead if you want to go to the toilet. Okay, everyone understand with this one?
Mister, I want to screenshot, Mister.
Go ahead. I want to erase it. Go ahead. Okay.
Then, Mister.
Okay, I will erase it, okay? Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Wait a minute. This one about conditional. Okay.
What page?
This is page 23. This is page 23. Okay. Open the page. I want to drink first. Okay. Now, this is about first conditional. The conditional we always use, I'm going to use black on the right side, we always use if blah 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 something something something, comma, will or won't. So this is when we talk about something that might happen in the future. For example, maybe I want to ask someone to give me an example for this. Let's say, Junzo. Junzo.
Yeah, Mister.
Are you speaking in English or Bahasa just now?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay, I want you to give an example with using first conditional. If blah 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 and then will or won't. Oh,
I'm still sleepy.
I know. Come on, give me an example of this. Like in the book. This is on page 23. Come on. Give me an example for that one.
23.
Yeah, 23. Give me an example for that one, okay? Go ahead, Julian. Dennis, your camera. Okay. So, everyone is sleepy today? Okay,
Mister,
Junzo.
I have a sentence.
Wait, Junzo. I want
If
Junzo.
it's sunny on Saturday, I will go swimming.
Okay, if it's sunny on Saturday, comma, I will go swimming. Thank you, Junzo. Well
Mister,
done.
I really want to swimming, but I can't.
Because of the pandemic, right? I know.
Right.
I also want to go
No.
swimming. No? Then what?
I can't swim when pandemic, but I don't know.
Okay.
You cannot swim.
I mean, in the pandemic like this, if you go to
No,
swim in
I
a public
can't
pool,
swim.
that will be bad.
You cannot swim.
He can swim, but in this pandemic period, you cannot. You're not allowed to. You will be sick. Okay.
Yeah.
So Junzo said, if it's sunny on Saturday, I will go swimming. Okay.
I can swim.
Joanna, you said you have a sentence.
No.
Go ahead, Joanna.
If I mix strawberry and banana,
Mix strawberry and banana. Okay, Junso, I want to mute you for a little bit.
I will make a milkshake.
I will.
It will be a
Oh,
milkshake.
it will be
It
a
will
milk.
be a milkshake.
Can I try?
Yes, of course. Oh, wait a minute. A milkshake.
Mister, can I make a sentence?
Wait, Felicia first.
Okay. Wait. If we don't go home,
Wait,
we
I
will.
couldn't hear you clearly just now. What is it? Again, please, from the beginning.
If we play now,
If we play now, comma,
we won't finish our homework.
we won't finish our homework. Okay. Okay. Simon, you said you have a sentence?
If it's rainy,
If it's rainy, comma,
I will
I
eat
will eat pizza.
ronde.
Oh, ronde. Okay. There is no English word for ronde, okay, because it's a name. Okay.
I mix strawberry and banana. It will make a milkshake.
Yes, if you mix it, it will be a milkshake. But if you mix a chipmunk and a hamster, you will become like this.
What are you saying?
If you mix a chipmunk and a hamster, it will be like this.
What?
If you mix a chipmunk and a hamster, it will be like this.
What?
What,
What?
Mister say?
Okay. Do you have any questions until here?
Yes. Yes, I have a
For the lesson. For the lesson.
questions for Mr. Jennifer. Why?
For
Why
the
Mr.
lesson.
I have a question. How Mr. Dennis
For the lesson. Okay. There is none for the lesson. I will erase it. Okay. We still have 5 more minutes.
You must have a secret.
Okay. The review is finished. I think you still can do it for the unit 2. Unit 2 is not that hard. Let's try to look a little bit into unit 2 for a while.
Mister, we will good, but Mister promise at the last lesson, Mister will
The last lesson.
Okay.
Mister will tell.
After
Hey, I didn't
lesson.
say that the last lesson I will tell. I said that I will use it for the lesson. Okay, now this is about reflexive pronoun.
Tell the secret.
Okay, this is about reflexive pronouns. You already know about it. Okay, I will not repeat this one.
Oh, like
Okay.
ourselves.
Yes, I will not repeat that one. That one is easy. And then the last one of our grammar will be comparatives. Okay. We already know about comparatives, but remember there is the word less. Remember about that one. Okay,
It's like easy, Mister.
that's it for our lesson. Okay. So that means we are finished.